Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are learning with Dr. Shobhanikam. In this video, I am going to talk about the most important concept in digital electronics, and that is don't care conditions. And here, after discussing basics of don't care conditions or what don't care conditions actually are, I'll also show you how to simplify 4 variable K-map with don't care conditions for sum of product form and for product of sum form. So let's first understand what the don't care conditions are. So don't care conditions are nothing but undefined outputs. It means when we put don't care as output, so some input combinations for which output is not defined or for which output is not important, or what we can say is these input combinations will never occur. For example, let's take an example of BCD, binary coded decimal, to excess 3 number. So here BCD numbers are from 0000, that is 0 to 91001, and excess 3 equivalent of this 0 is 0011, that is 3. For this 9, it is 9 plus 3, 1100, that is 12. But what if, see, in BCD to excess 3, only important numbers are from 000 to 1001, that is 0 to 9. But what if input is, let's say, 1010, that is 10. This is not a BCD number. But if this input combination will come, then output for this combination is not defined, or output is not important because this input combination will never occur. But when we will put these values in K-map, then for up to 15 we need to put some value for output, and for that here we can mark our output as don't care hereafter from 10 to 15, because maximum 4 bit number is 4 times 1. So don't care conditions are input combinations for which output is not defined or not important. So what don't care condition is? As per designer's choice, he can consider don't care as 1 or 0. Then why don't care conditions are useful? They are basically useful in K-maps to simplify logic expressions. And when we simplify logic expressions, it means it reduces number of gates. And when it reduces number of gates on chip, automatically it saves chip area, it saves power consumption. When hardware is less, it consumes less amount of power and circuit becomes faster. So don't care conditions are used to simplify logic expressions, reduce number of gates, and to optimize circuit design. How we represent don't care conditions? The most commonly used notation is cross, but we can also use this dash or minus sign and phi. Now let's see how to simplify sum of product form by using don't care conditions. Okay, so let's see. I have taken this example. Y is equals to summation of m 1, 5, 6, 12, 13 and 14. So all these are min terms. Meaning of min terms is for these variables my output is 1 plus don't care 2, 4. So for 2 and 4 output can be 1 or it can be 0 as per our requirement. So to find logic expression for these min terms, I'll draw a K-map. So what is the maximum number? Maximum number is 14. How to write 14 in binary form? It's 1110. So how many bits are needed? 4 bits are needed. So we will take 4 variable K-map. So this is my 4 variable K-map. The input variables are A, B, C and D. In K-maps, we use gray code. So number becomes 0001. Then instead of 10, it comes 11 and then 10. Similarly here also 000111 and then 10. So If I want to write decimal equivalent, 0000 is 0. Then 0001 is 1. 0011 is 3. 0010 is 2. So we can mark it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and then 15. See, 15 means 1, 1, 1, 1. So in simple words, what we do is 0, 1, then we will skip one column, then we'll go to next. Similarly, 4, 5, 6, 7, we will skip this row and then we'll go to next. Now, see, what we have is for 1, 5, 6, 12, 13 and 14. These min terms are given. It means for these terms, output is 1. So, for 1, output is 1. For 5, it is 1. For 6, it is 1. For 12, 1. 13, 1. 14, 1. And 2 and 4 are don't care conditions. So, at 2 and at 4, I'll mark don't care conditions. Then, at remaining places, my output will be 0. Now, next thing in K-map is grouping of terms or grouping of ones. So, here what we do is we try to group more and more number of ones together. So, very first is, see here, what I have is these 3 ones. So, if I will consider this don't care as 1. If I'll consider this don't care as 1, I can make chord, group of 4 ones. And for this, I'll write equation as, what is common here? A is 0, 1. See, these values are values of A, these values are values of B. B is 1, 1. So, when it is 1, we'll take variable as it is. Then in these 2 columns, because in group, these 2 we are using. D is 0, 1. So, we will skip D. C is 0, 0. So, 0 means C bar. This is first term plus. Now, next, we have this 1. So, what we'll check is, we'll check adjacent ones and overlapping ones. So, we have this 1 here. So, we can use already grouped ones also. So, I will make this pair. See, now chord is not possible. There are no 4 adjacent ones or overlapping ones. So, for this pair, equation will become, here what is common? A is 0, 0. It means A bar. And here what we have is single column. There is no comparison. So, we must take both values. So, C is 0. So, I'll write C bar and D is 1. So, I'll write D as it is. So, this is equation for this pair. Now, what is remaining? These 2 ones are remaining. Now, see. And we have one don't care. But as I told you, don't care condition means it is designer's choice. If you want it, you can consider it as 1. If you don't want it, you can simply consider it as 0. So what we will do here, I have these 2 ones, and if I'll fold my K-map from here, then these 2 ones will get overlapped with these 2. This is don't care and this is 1, and I'll consider this don't care as 1. So after folding, it becomes a chord. And equation for this chord is, what we have here, B is 1. So, I'll write B as it is. See, I'm comparing these 2 rows. So, A is 0, 1. Values are different. I'll not take it. B is 1, 1. So, I'll take B as it is. Then, I'm grouping this and this. I'm folding K-map from here. So, these 2 ones will get overlapped with these 2. So, here what is common? C is 0, 1. So, I'll skip C. D is 0, 0. So, I'll take D bar. So, here equation becomes Y is equals to B C bar plus A bar C bar D plus B D bar. If I'll not consider this don't care as 1, then instead of making these 2 chords, I'll have to make pairs, and when I'll make pair will have 3 variables. So instead of 2 input AND gate, see this is multiplication, it means this is nothing but AND gate. So instead of 2 input AND gates, I'll have to take 3 input AND gate, which consumes more area on chip. So this is how we minimize our functions using don't care. Now few students will think, what about this don't care? We haven't grouped it with anyone. So if you want it, then only we take it as 1. If we don't want it, now this don't care is really not required. So we will simply skip it. It is not like if one don't care is considered as 1, then other one must also be considered as 1. You can consider few don't cares as 1 and few don't cares as 0. Now let's see same equation in product of sum form. So first I'll convert this sum of product form into product of sum form. So I'll convert these min terms into max terms. So max terms means terms for which output is 0. So y max term. So max term means remaining terms. So remaining terms means here 0. We can't see 0 in this summation of m, and 0 is not even present in don't care conditions. So we can take 0. See, these max terms must not be present in min terms and in don't care conditions. So 0, 1 is present, 2 is also present here, 3, 4 is present here, 5 is present here, 6 is present here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 are already present, and 15 plus don't care 2, 4. Okay, so let's draw one more K-map. Now let's insert these max terms into K-map. Basic difference between min terms and max terms is, for min terms we mark 1, or we consider for these given terms output is 1, whereas in case of max terms, for given terms output is 0 and for remaining terms output is 1. So I'll mark 0 at 0, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, and don't cares are at 2 and here at 4. And you need to remember here, if value of variable is 0, we take bar of that variable, and if value is 1, we take variable as it is. Whereas in case of max terms or in case of product of sum form, it is exactly opposite to sum of product. For 0, we take variable as it is, and for 1, we take bar of that variable because we are grouping zeros. So for remaining terms, we'll mark 1. Okay, now let's start grouping. So what we can do is, we can make first group of these zeros. Chord, group of 4 zeros. And I'll write equation as, see, we don't have anything in common here because we have 4 different columns. What we have is A is 1 and B is 0. So we'll take A bar because value of A is 1 and it is exactly opposite to min terms. So A bar, and instead of multiplication here it is plus A bar plus B. This is my first term. Product of sums. So this is my first sum term. Next, again I have these 4 zeros. So I'll make second group of these 4 zeros. And then equation will become, here nothing is common, C is 1 and D is also 1. So I can write it as C bar plus D bar because both of them are 1. Next, into third, we have only 1 0 remaining. So, and I don't have any adjacent 0 to make pair. What we can do is, we can fold our K-map from here and again from here. Then these 4 corners will get overlapped. And we can make group of them. These 4 zeros. These 3 are zeros, and I'm treating this don't care as 0. So I can form one more chord and it has this and this row and this column. So what is common here? A is 0, 1. So we will not take A. B is 0, 0. So B I'll write as B bar because both are zeros. And here C is 0, 1. We'll skip C. D is 0, 0. So plus D bar. No. So see, I only got confused. When value is 0, here B is 0, 0. It means I'll take B as it is, no bar. And for D also 0, 0. So I'll take D as it is. So equation is, I'll rewrite it again, A bar plus B. So students also get confused many times because we are used to solve this K-map with min terms. So in max terms, exactly opposite. It is exactly opposite. For zeros, we consider variable as it is, and for ones, we consider bar of that variable. C bar plus D bar into B plus D. So in this way, we can solve K-map with don't care conditions. So here in second K-map, I have considered this don't care as 0 and I haven't considered this don't care as 0. So we have choice to consider it as 0 or 1. So thank you so much for watching. I hope now this concept of don't care is clear to you. Do share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching.